So you're going to use your snowblower or other small engine, and this happens. The starter cord snaps right off. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what I'm going to show you applies to all the small engines and their starter cords. I went ahead and took down the handlebars to give me access to this plate. And I'm just going to go and take off the screws. There's some Loctite on them, so they may be a little hard to start. This comes right off. The thing is, the cord is going to go in here, and see if you can see where it was attached, right here. The key is, there's a spring, see? So what we need to do is first take this out, then we're going to go and coil this up, and then we're going to put the string in. Now I'm looking at the string, which is a nylon cord for my snowblower. It's 9/64 of an inch. And it looks pretty good. I don't see any fraying. It looks pretty strong here. I think I can use this and just attach it here and knot it. And we'll see if I can do that. Otherwise, you can go to Home Depot, to Amazon, to Lowe's. You can order it online and buy the appropriate nylon cord that comes with your small engine. So let's go and take this little guy out here. It's a stubborn little thing, isn't it? So, I'm not going to lose too much there. Next, I'm going to coil this up as far as it goes. This hole has to match here. So, gonna just rotate it just right. I see the hole looks reasonably lined up. And I got this jammed in there, like that. Now the hard part to fish that in. So I can see now why some people have to buy a new string, because it has the little plastic, almost like, you know, the shoelace end to prevent it from fraying. So the hole is really tight, and unless you've got like a clamp and some patience, it's going to be very hard to get it through. What I did was I took a little bit of a flame, I melted the end of the frayed ends here so it was solid, and then I kind of fished it through so a little poke through, and then I took this clamp, and you can see that I've now been able to pull it through, and I'm going to knot this now. So the easy way is to buy another replacement starter cord, but I had a little patience. Like I said, I went ahead and melted this down. Right here. And I'm just going to knot it, and we're good to go. So I've made myself a nice little knot. Again, you got to put this little screwdriver in so this thing stays all coiled up and ready to go. I'm going to pull the slack out here. Oh, don't want that to snap on me. Make sure that's nice and tight. I'm going to pull it nice and snug. Yeah, that's snug. That's not going anywhere. And now we'll let it just start sucking it back in. Yeah, look at that. All ready to go. So I'm just going to put this back on. So before I put everything back, let's make sure it works. Give it a little prime. Nice repair, and it cost me nothing. Oh, and please subscribe for all the other interesting videos that I make and post from electronics, chemistry, simple repairs. Hope you find these all helpful, and give me likes. Thanks a lot.